Okay, in this video I'll be showing you different types of USB cables. So let us look at all of these USB cables one by one. First we'll be looking at USB A cable, okay, or simply USB A, okay. This is the standard USB, okay, and this is USB A, okay. You can see this is the normal size standard USB, okay. It is also called USB A. Yeah, the standard USB, okay. And this cable is USB A male to USB A female, okay. And while inserting this USB A type, first you have to align and then only insert, okay, like this, okay. Here you can see first align and then only insert, okay. Anyway, it cannot be inserted, okay. It will not be inserted, okay. You have to align, okay, first like this. Yeah, you can match. Now align and insert. Yeah, so this is USB A. The USB type A comes in two different versions, okay. USB 2.0 or USB 3.0, okay. And you can know whether your USB supports 2.0 or 3.0 or above. You can know with the color, okay. If black, then this is USB 2.0, and if blue, it is USB 3.0, okay. USB A, okay, both USB A 2.0, USB A 3.0, okay. USB A 2.0 is in black color and USB A 3.0 is in blue color, okay. So let us move to USB B cable, okay, and this is USB B, okay. This is used in printer, okay. Yeah, and this whole cable is USB A to USB B, okay. This is USB B. And while inserting this USB B cable, you have to align first, okay, in the printer hole, okay. You have printer female USB B port at the back of your printer, and then you have to align this jack, okay, this USB B male jack. You have to align properly and then only insert, okay. You can't insert it any way you like, okay. You have to align and then insert, okay. Now let us move to another mini USB. Now this is mini USB, okay. And this whole cable is USB A to mini USB, okay. And the same thing goes, okay. to insert this mini USB cable, first you have to align and then only insert. Okay, for example, this mini USB can be inserted in your DSLR. Okay, here, yeah, first align and then you insert. Okay, it is inserted. Okay, you can't insert other way. Okay, you have to align first and then only insert. Okay, this is Canon 80D. Now let us move to another micro USB, and this is micro USB. Yeah, and again the same thing. Okay, you can't insert in any way you like. Okay, first you have to align and then insert. Okay, this way. Okay, other way it will not work. Okay, you have to align and then insert. Okay, this is micro USB. Okay, and this whole cable is USB A to micro USB. Okay, my this action camera has micro USB port. Okay, here you can see written USB here. Yeah, this is micro USB. Okay, and I have here micro USB. Just align and insert. Okay, it is inserted. Okay, yeah, you can't insert in any way you like. Okay, you have to first align and insert. Yeah, this way it goes, the other way it doesn't. Okay, don't force this way. Now let us move to another, and this is USB-C. Okay, USB type C cable. Okay, you can see here the surface is plain. Okay, here also, here also. Okay, both the way. Okay, so this cable can be inserted in any way you like. Okay, for example, I can insert this USB type C cable in this direction, it is inserted here, and I can also insert this USB type C cable in other direction. Okay, yeah, any direction you can connect. Okay, this is USB type C cable. Okay, and this is USB type C 2.0. Okay, just notice here 2.0, just see inside it, this hole. And this is USB type C 3.1. Okay, this is also type C but version 3.1. Okay, and you can see here inside hole there are some additional pins. Yeah, and this USB type C version 3.1 can also be inserted in version 2.0 USB type C. Okay, for example, my this mobile has type C 2.0. Okay, and I can insert this 3.1 type C. Okay, yeah, and this is USB A to USB type C. Okay, and this is USB type C to HDMI. Okay, USB type C 3.1 to HDMI. Okay, this is a regular full size standard HDMI. Okay, now let us look another USB 3. Now you can see here like this. Yeah, this is USB 3. Okay, and to insert this cable you have to first align and then only insert. Okay, you can't insert this USB 3 cable in any way you like. Okay, and this is USB A to USB 3 cable. Okay, and you can insert your this USB 3 cable in your external hard disks. Okay, for example I'll insert here. Okay, first I'll align. Okay, and then only I will insert. Okay, it is inserted. Okay, it will not be inserted other way. Okay, it will not go. Okay, first you have to align. Okay, seeing here hole. Okay, like this I'm inserting in this way. Okay, and then it will be inserted properly. Yeah, USB A to USB 3. Yeah, so these were all the USB cable types. Okay, this was USB A. Okay, it is the general USB cable. Okay, this is USB B, it is used in printer. Yeah, and this is mini USB. Okay, used in your camera. Okay, for example I can use this mini USB cable on my Canon 80D. Okay, and this is micro USB. Okay, this is also used in my old mobile phone. Okay, and this is USB type C. Okay, and this USB type C is used on my new phone. Okay, in the newer model of phones it is coming in USB type C. Okay, and this is USB type C 2.0 and this is USB type C 3.1. Okay, and this is USB 3. Okay, this